How to get NFL Sunday Ticket veteran discount. Sign in to the Google account you'll use for Sunday Ticket. Open the ID.me offer page for NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube, select Military, Veteran, and click the button to verify with ID.me. Finish the verification flow. When ID.me confirms you, continue to the YouTube checkout page that appears for primetime channels, not the YouTube television add-on, and make sure you're still on the correct Google account. Choose the military price, season pass shown. If you want NFL Red Zone, add it before paying. For 2025-26, the veteran price is $198 for the season, with Red Zone available for about $42 more, and the offer is available through the 31st of December, 2025. Review the terms. Purchases are non-refundable and will auto-renew each season. Complete payment. You can watch on YouTube or inside the YouTube television app after purchase, and you do not need a YouTube television base plan to use the discounted Primetime Channels subscription. Like and subscribe if you find this helpful.